Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to discuss about what can we do to minimize overuse of plastic. See students, in day-to-day life we are buying many things from the market, and while coming or after the purchasing that things, we bring that things in polythene bag. Yes? If you are going to the vegetable market, even though you are not carrying with you your own bag like cloth bag or jute bag, just simply you are going in the market and you buy the fruits, vegetables, and you bring that all things in that polythene bag. But student, the use of this plastic become too much nowadays. So overuse of plastic is not good for our health as well as for our environment also. As you know, if water, nowadays we are buying the water bottles. But do you know one thing student? If you are drinking the water bottle, if you are drinking the water of water bottle for a long time, that is not good for our health student. So try to avoid this thing, because nowadays we are too much habitual with the plastic. Without plastic, something we miss in our life. The situation is very critical. So within one day we cannot stop the use of plastic. It will take some time. But one thing we can do, we can minimize the overuse of plastic. We can reduce the overuse of plastic. We can decrease the overuse of plastic in our life. So what we can do to minimize overuse of plastic? So first thing, student, if you are going to the market, try to carry with you one cloth bag, jute bag for bringing the things or food items from the market. Second thing, whatever the things are there, for example, if you are going to buy the medicines, or sometimes the fruits. So at that time, if you are buying medicine, tell to the person, give me one paper bag. You know, nowadays paper bags are available, especially those are the medical shops. You can get the medicines in one small paper bag. So try to use that paper bag. So day by day, you can minimize the use of plastic. Next thing, whatever the jam bottles are there, pickles jars are there, oil cans are there. So that oil cans, pickle jar or jams bottle, you can reuse again to store the spices, oil, seeds, milk. Okay? For these food items, you can reuse that same plastic bottle, container or jar. Don't throw outside your home. Reuse it again. If you don't want to reuse, one thing you can do, you can give to your neighborhood, you can give to the person who is really poor, who cannot buy the things from the market. So you can help that person, so that person can use these containers, these cans for storing the food items and whatever. Next thing, we should reuse the plastic bags. whatever the plastic bags are there, that plastic bags you can reuse. Don't get new bag for buying something. So you can reuse, you can carry with you. Okay, if there is a plastic bag at home, you can carry that same way. Next thing, we should give our old plastic toys to others who can use them. This already I discussed. Okay. Next thing, what can we do to reduce the generation of garbage? Generation means production. What we can do to reduce the production of garbage? How to minimize that production of garbage? What steps we should take to minimize the production of garbage? So first thing is there, we should dispose our kitchen garbage by vermicomposting to obtain the high quality manure for our plants. So whatever the kitchen garbage is there, like peels of fruits, parts of vegetables, egg shells, parts of fishes. So these food items you can use to make vermicomposting. So use this garbage for vermicomposting to obtain the high quality manure. Manure means this is the one kind of organic material which is very good for the growth of the plants because it contains all kind of nutrients. So this manure you can use in your garden to increase the fertility of that soil. Okay. Second thing, we should not throw plastic bags here and there after the use. Plastic bags and other containers should be recycled or reused whenever possible. Already we discussed that plastic bags or plastic containers we should not throw. We should try to reuse again. Instead of throwing, you can give to the someone who is really needed that plastic containers. We should make full use of paper our notebooks by writing on its both sides. We should use a slate to do the rough work. Whatever the notebooks pages are there, you can use both the side of that notebook pages. Don't waste that page. If you want to do any rough work, you can use the slate. But you can use the slate for the rough work. So instead of wasting paper, you can use that slate, and after the rough work, you can erase it. You can go for the writing. Use of newspaper, magazines, and notebooks should be sent for recycling. Whatever the newspapers are there at home, those are coming. So you can collect that newspapers and monthly or after 2 months, whatever the collected newspapers are there, that you can give to the kabadiwala. Means that person can send to the for the recycling. Okay. We should give old clothes and books to others who can use them, especially the poor person. Okay. So whatever the clothes are there, extra clothes, waste clothes, unuseful clothes, or used clothes, that cloth you can give to someone beggar or the poor person who can use them. We should use the cloth handkerchief instead of paper tissues to save paper. Instead of tissue paper, we can use our handkerchief to clean our hands. We should choose and buy products with the least packaging. Whatever the packaging are there, so you can manage that packaging. Okay, you can carry with you one bag. We should use the cloth bags, jute bags, and paper bags for shopping instead of plastic bags. So you can use the paper bag. Instead of plastic bag, you can use the paper bag, jute bag, and cloth bag for after buying for the packaging. Okay, after buying the things, you can use these bags for packaging. Okay, students. So I hope you understood this lesson. So here our lesson is over, and you can find out the answer of all the exercise questions, students. I will send you the PDF after 2 days, but you can solve these exercise at home. Prepare all the second terms lessons very properly at home. Okay, and best of luck for your second term exam. Okay, students? Thank you.